Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Volkswagen Beetle. First, always ensure your Beetle is in neutral if it's a manual, or park if it's an automatic. This is a crucial safety step to prevent unexpected movement. Next, verify your battery has enough power. A weak battery is a common reason for starting issues. Finally, make sure you have adequate fuel in the tank. These initial checks will save you time and frustration. With your initial checks complete, it's time to prepare for ignition. Insert your key completely into the ignition switch. Then, turn the key to the on position. You should see your dashboard lights illuminate, indicating the electrical systems are active. Listen carefully for a brief humming sound. This is the fuel pump priming, which means fuel is being delivered to the engine. This sound confirms your fuel system is ready. Now let's get that engine running. If you have a manual transmission, make sure to fully depress the clutch pedal. This disengages the engine from the transmission, allowing it to start more easily. Turn the key further to the start position and hold it there for a few seconds. As soon as the engine catches and begins to run smoothly, release the key. It will spring back to the on position automatically. If your Beetle cranks but doesn't start, don't panic. First, recheck your fuel level and ensure you hear the fuel pump priming. You might also need to check for a strong spark at the spark plugs. If the engine isn't cranking at all, a weak or dead battery is likely the culprit, and a jump start could be necessary. Remember to always consult your owner's manual for specific model information. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.